species that we catch. And part of the reason for that is during the winter time we catch lots and lots and lots of these guys. He's already banded, so this bird was banded on Wednesday. We had a banding session on Wednesday, and it was banded. Yeah, I'll show you the band for those of you who didn't see it. So there's special ways. This is called the photographer's grip, and what I'm doing is I'm holding it really up close along the hip, so I'm not hurting it at all. And then this right here is called the bander's grip, and it looks like I'm sort of squeezing its neck, but I'm not. I'm like just barely holding it, and I'm also holding in its wings, and that way it feels really secure. So this right here, you see the band?
Yeah.
You know, you would think this is a size 0 band, which you would think is the smallest band. But guess what else we banned in the July and August?
What?
We banned hummingbirds, and the band on the hummingbird is even smaller. It's so small that I need to get a magnifying glass to read the number off of it.
Wow.
That's how tiny it is. And that takes, to band a hummingbird, that takes even more training and even another special permit to be able to band hummingbirds. So there's not that many people in the United States who ban birds, and there's even fewer people in the U.S. who ban hummingbirds because it just takes a lot more training to do that. We're lucky here at Warner Park because we actually have 5 people who have permits to ban hummingbirds. Yes?
Have you banded a wren bird?
A wren? Yes, we have Carolina wrens, and we ban them all the time. The thing about Carolina wrens, though, is that they are little escape artists, and so they will. You have to hold them really well because if you don't hold onto them very tightly, they'll just run up your arm and fly away. Isn't that neat? And then this bird right here, you'll see. She's trying to. Sort of will do that. It doesn't hurt at all. There's one bird that we catch quite a bit that is really painful. Can you guys guess what it is?
Cool.
Yeah, well, hawks, yeah, we don't catch hawks very often. But cardinals, if you have a cardinal bite your finger, ooh, it really hurts. Do you guys have any other questions about this guy? Yes.
Is it a baby?
Is it a baby? That's a good question. So this time of year, for birds, what we say is everybody's birthday is on January 1st. So every bird, as of January 1st, is at least a second-year bird. For some birds, like we were catching downy woodpeckers earlier this morning, and we can, based on how they replace their feathers, we can tell if it's a second-year bird or a third-year bird or an after third-year bird. But then there are birds like this that, based on their feather replacement, we can't tell how old they are. So what we say is we say it's an AHY, an after hatch year bird. So that's all that we can tell. So that chickadee that we caught earlier today, when we first banded it in 2010, we said it was an AHY. Now that bird could have been 4 years old and we wouldn't have known. So we're saying that that bird is at least 10 years old. How do we catch them? So we have, if we go inside and look out the back, we have what's called a potter trap. And so we set it on top of some bird seed, and then when they walk in, the trap comes down. We use those traps only in the wintertime. The rest of the year we actually have what's called a mist mat, which looks a little bit like a volleyball net, and the birds fly into it and get there's a little cup where they sort of fall down into it, and then we check the nets every half an hour and extract them and then bring them back. So yes.
We saw one back there.
A net or a trap?
A trap.
Yeah, we have some traps back here, and then we have a couple of traps back along the learning center, and actually we have a net set up as well. We wait for it to be at least 40 degrees before we set up the nets. So, any other questions? All right, I'm going to let this bird go.
Okay.
Do you think it'll yell at me?
No.
Nah.
Nope.
There it went.
Just quiet.